Hello there, young mathematicians. Welcome to Reading Readiness Centers, your go-to place for fun and engaging learning. Today, we are diving into the exciting world of mathematics, specifically a branch called algebra. Now, I know the word algebra might sound a bit tricky, but don't worry. Algebra is a special part of math that allows us to explore and understand relationships between numbers in a creative way. Algebra is like a secret code that helps us solve puzzles and figure out unknown numbers. Meet Algey, our friendly algebra wizard. He's here to help us understand some magical concepts. Variables, constants, coefficients, and the difference between expressions and equations. First up, let's talk about variables. A variable is like a magic box that can hold different numbers. We often use letters like X or Y as our magic box. For example, if we say 3 plus X, the X can be any number we choose. Let's try it with a real-world example. If you have 3 apples and want to know how many you'll have if you add X more apples, that's our variable X. Variables in algebra let us express unknown values and solve problems in a flexible way. It's like having a superhero that can transform into any number we need. Another example could be y minus 7 equals to 10. Where y is our variable, representing the number of balloons at a party, and we want to find out how many we started with. Now, let's meet constants and coefficients. Constants are like magical numbers that never change. For instance, in 5 plus y, the 5 is our constant, always staying the same. Picture having 5 colorful candies, and you want to add y more. The 5 remains constant. Coefficients are like the magical helpers that tell us how many times a variable appears. If we have 3x, the 3 is the coefficient of x. Another example could be 2a, where a is a variable representing the number of apples, and 2 is the coefficient telling us we have twice as many apples. Time to explore the difference between expressions and equations. An expression is like a magical phrase, such as 2 plus z. It's a combination of numbers, variables, and operations, but it doesn't have an equal sign. Imagine you have 2 cookies, and you want to add z more. That's our expression. Now, an equation is like a balanced scale in our magical world. It has an equal sign, like 6 equals 2 plus 4. Both sides of the equation need to be the same, creating a perfect balance. As an example, if you have p minus 5 equals to 8, it means you have p pencils, and after removing 5, it equals 8. And there you have it, our magical journey into the basics of algebra. Algebra is like our secret code for solving mathematical mysteries. If you enjoyed learning with us today, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting adventures with Algey. Thank you for joining us on Reading Readiness Centers. Until next time, happy learning, magical mathematicians.